Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Melody. If this is the first time you're seeing my face here on YouTube, I'm a Nigerian-based content creator. I'm on a journey to self-development and definitely growing my YouTube channel. If you want to come with me on that journey, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and like this video if you end up liking this video. Today's video is about my YouTube channel. So I just wanted to come up here to reassure myself and probably be accountable for my own actions and outline some of the things that I'll be doing on my channel. So yeah, I've asked you to subscribe to my channel, but then if there are no contents or nothing planned out, like what are you subscribing to? I know, right? So that is why I am going to be doing this video, just to let you guys know, my subscribers and my future subscribers who are going to end up seeing this video. I'm just going to let you guys know exactly what I'll be doing on my channel, like from time to time, all the evergreen content I'll be putting out, but some things that, you know, come from my own creative side, those are some of the things that I'll be putting up on my channel. I actually thought about doing a short series. So basically I really want to incorporate shorts into my channel, but I haven't thought about it, like how am I going to do it? I'm not a fashion influencer, and that is why I decided that I wanted to come up with something unique to me, and I'm coming up with a series called My Diary. So my diary is basically some of the things that I will be putting out just as shorts, just telling you guys about some of the things that I think, you know, as humans or somebody that is trying to grow every single time or every single day, that's trying to improve, you try to get some insight on some things and they're like, wow, that's deep. And that is some of the things that I want to be sharing with you guys. So basically it will be like a diary, a visual diary, literally. So just if maybe my thoughts or my insights have an importance to anybody out there in the world, it would be of great use to them. That is one reason why I'll be doing my diary. So that will be a series that I'll be putting out. So expect shorts on my channel. Sometimes it might be random things, but other times it's literally just me letting you guys know some useful things that you guys can do to improve yourselves. My diary would also include a lot of spirituality, because that is where my own, you know, my self-care and my strength springs from. So I'm a Christian and I have thought about it. I personally just, you know, do my Christian growth on my own, because I know that it's a personal thing, you understand. But having thought about it, I'm like, if I probably put it on my YouTube channel, I'll be able to probably show some accountability to myself and say, this is how I'm growing, you know, is this how I like to grow? Am I going in the right direction? Am I doing things for the right motives? And you know, if it comes to a point where it looks like I'm stressing or things are happening that I don't want or that I did not prepare for, I'll definitely take a break. I'll definitely, you know, do other things that are going to make life easier for me. So another thing I'll be doing on my channel is to, you know, be trying out some of these things about self-care and personal development and yeah, all of that, productivity. I understand that a lot of people are online these days searching for answers to their problems, and they don't seemingly find a solution because some of these information online is not really true, it's not really achievable, and that's one of the things that I'll be doing. So definitely going to be trying out some of these hacks, tips and tricks and cheats to productivity, to self-care, to all of those things, just to make sure that, you know, I come here and give you guys a great review of some of the things your favorite YouTubers are saying. I'm not saying that I'm going to, you know, be bashing anybody, but just to try out some of these things, you understand? Just to be able to try out some of these things, give my reviews on what I think. Did they work? Did this plan work? Did the hack work? Did the trick work? And I'm going to be giving you guys all the tea about that, giving out my own ideas and my own advice on, you know, what you should do when it comes to productivity and self-development. But then I'll be reviewing a lot of those things, just so you guys don't have to go through the stress of trying it and then it doesn't work for you and stuff. And also, this will also come in place of finances. Like, if you just check my intro, you understand I am definitely into business, because like, go into the world and multiply. I multiply in every area of life, and including my finances. So I'm going to be showing you guys some of the things that people put online and say, oh, make money with this way. Not like easy ways to make money, you understand, but some of these business models, I'm going to be trying them out. Does it work? So I'm going to definitely be putting up my dedication into it, and I'm definitely going to be trying all of these things, just so you guys don't have to go through this stress. So if it works, I'll give you insights on how it happened and my successes about it. But basically, that is it. Me trying out new stuff here on YouTube, and it is also going to help me personally, because if I get to do all of these things, it means that I'm learning, and I'm also growing, and I'm also trying to teach you guys, who are my subscribers and my future subscribers, on some of the things that I've learned online here. So like I said, I'll still keep originality and all of that, because that is the essence of being here. Like, I want to see how much I grow, even still being myself, even still being Melody. Not like the Melody that everybody knows, because but really, that's one of the major reasons why I want to embark on this journey, because sometimes it feels like I'm just laid back, I'm not doing anything really, and I don't want to be that person that doesn't practice what she preaches. And that is why I'm going to be doing all of this for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and join the fam. I'm just, if I'm a god, I take the beg you, okay? Why did that come out wrong? No, seriously, I'm begging you guys, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, just support me. And if you think that there's any other thing you want me to put on my channel that you think I'll be able to talk about, or I'll be able to do, or effect, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. And also, since I've told you guys that I'm trying to grow my channel, so some of you creating new YouTube channels, you'll be like, okay, there's no way to grow. Go ahead and engage in the comment section, just to be sure that you guys are also growing while I grow. I'll be able to subscribe to every channel I see their comments in the comment section, and you guys can also subscribe to each other, and then we can grow a community from there. But yeah, that'll be all for today's video, and if you want to see more, subscribe.